Ever wonder why some websites load instantly while others feel stuck in dial-up mode? The secret sauce is CDNs. A content delivery network is a system of servers placed all over the world, designed to deliver content quickly, no matter where you are. Imagine a user from India accessing a server in New York. If every user had to fetch data from one faraway server, things would get painfully slow and expensive. CDNs solve this by caching content closer to users. You get the same content, but from a nearby server. That means faster load times and fewer spinning wheels. CDNs cache static files like images, style sheets, and videos. So your browser isn't calling the origin server every time. That's why sites like Netflix, YouTube, and even your favorite meme pages load fast, even during peak traffic. For devs, CDNs reduce backend load, improve SEO, and make DDoS attacks harder. As a bonus, most CDN providers offer analytics and edge logic too. TLDR, CDNs speed up the web by bringing content closer to you. Faster sites, happier users, smarter delivery. Like fast, friendly tech explainers? Subscribe to TLDR Tech for bite-sized answers to big questions.